If you're serious about capturing stunning car shots, finding the best camera for car photography 2026 is a game changer. From glossy showroom photos to high-speed rolling shots and low-light night scenes, not every camera can handle the demands of automotive photography. The right gear can elevate your shots with sharper details, better dynamic range, and cinematic video quality. In this video, we'll break down the top cameras built for car photography and videography. So whether you're shooting for Instagram, YouTube, or clients, you'll know exactly which camera fits your style. Number 5. Canon EOS R7 with RF-S 18 to 150mm lens. High-speed mirrorless camera for car photography in 2026. The Canon EOS R7 with the RF-S 18 to 150mm lens is a powerful APS-C mirrorless camera designed for speed and versatility, making it a strong choice for car photography in 2026. Featuring a 32.5 megapixel sensor and Canon's Digic X processor, it delivers sharp, detailed images with excellent color accuracy, ideal for capturing everything from static car shots to dynamic rolling scenes. One of the standout strengths of the EOS R7 is its fast and intelligent autofocus system with subject detection. It can quickly lock onto moving subjects, which is essential for capturing cars in motion, track shots, or street photography. The high-speed continuous shooting capability also helps photographers capture the perfect moment without missing critical action. The included 18 to 150mm lens adds flexibility, allowing you to shoot wide-angle car scenes as well as close-up detail shots without changing lenses. For video creators, the camera offers 4K 60p recording, making it suitable for cinematic car videos, reels, and content creation. Its in-body image stabilization helps reduce blur during handheld shooting, especially useful for outdoor automotive shoots. Overall, the Canon EOS R7 combines speed, precision, and versatile performance, making it a reliable mirrorless camera for capturing high-quality car photography and video content in 2026. Number 4. Canon EOS R6 Mark II, high-speed full-frame camera for car photography in 2026. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera built for speed, precision, and low-light performance, making it an excellent choice for car photography in 2026. With its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and advanced image processing, it delivers sharp images, accurate colors, and strong dynamic range, perfect for capturing both detailed car exteriors and dramatic lighting conditions. One of the standout features of this camera is its exceptional autofocus system with advanced subject tracking. It locks onto moving subjects quickly, which is essential for rolling shots, track photography, and high-speed automotive scenes. Combined with high continuous shooting speeds, it ensures you never miss the perfect motion shot. Low-light performance is another major advantage, allowing photographers to capture clean and detailed images during night car shoots or indoor garage setups. The in-body image stabilization also helps achieve sharper handheld shots, especially when shooting dynamic angles or creative compositions. For video creators, the R6 Mark II offers impressive 4K video capabilities, making it ideal for car reels, cinematic automotive videos, and content creation. Overall, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II delivers speed, reliability, and versatility, making it a strong all-around camera for automotive photography and video in 2026. Number 3. Nikon Z8 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera, professional high-speed camera for car photography in 2026. The Nikon Z8 is a professional-grade full-frame mirrorless camera built for speed, precision, and high-end performance, making it a top-tier choice for car photography in 2026. Equipped with a stacked sensor and powerful processing engine, it delivers exceptional image quality with sharp details, accurate colors, and minimal distortion, ideal for capturing both static car shots and fast-moving vehicles. One of the biggest strengths of the Z8 is its advanced autofocus system with intelligent subject tracking. It locks onto moving subjects quickly and maintains focus with impressive accuracy, making it perfect for rolling shots, track photography, and high-speed automotive scenes. The fast burst shooting capability ensures you can capture multiple frames and select the perfect moment. Low light performance is another key advantage, allowing photographers to shoot clean and detailed images during night car shoots or in challenging lighting environments. The camera also features in-body image stabilization, helping achieve sharper handheld shots when capturing creative angles. For video creators, the Nikon Z8 offers professional-level video features, including high-resolution recording, making it suitable for cinematic car videos and content creation. Overall, the Nikon Z8 combines speed, reliability, and cutting-edge performance, making it an outstanding camera for automotive photography and videography in 2026. Number 2. Insta360X4 Standard Bundle. 8K 360 action camera for creative car photography and videos in 2026. The Insta360X4 Standard Bundle is a powerful 360-degree action camera designed for creators who want unique and immersive automotive shots in 2026. Unlike traditional cameras, it captures everything around you in stunning 8K resolution, allowing you to reframe angles later, perfect for dynamic car photography and cinematic video content. One of its standout features is the invisible selfie stick effect, which creates smooth, drone-like footage without showing the stick. This makes it ideal for rolling shots, car reels, and creative driving sequences. The built-in stabilization ensures ultra-smooth footage even on rough roads, making it a strong choice for automotive videography. The camera also offers a 4K wide-angle mode for more traditional shooting, giving users flexibility depending on the project. With its waterproof design and removable lens guards, it's built for outdoor use in various conditions. The 135-minute battery life supports longer shooting sessions without frequent interruptions. AI-powered editing features simplify the post-production process, allowing creators to quickly produce professional-looking content for social media or YouTube. Overall, the Insta360X4 delivers creative flexibility, high-resolution video, and innovative features, making it a great option for capturing unique car photography and video content in 2026. Number 1. Sony Alpha A7 IV Bundle, full-frame mirrorless camera kit for car photography and video in 2026. The Sony Alpha A7 IV Bundle is a complete solution for creators looking to capture high-quality automotive content in 2026. Built around a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, this camera delivers sharp images, rich colors, and excellent dynamic range, perfect for showcasing car details, reflections, and outdoor scenes with precision. One of its biggest strengths is the advanced autofocus system with real-time tracking and eye detection. It performs exceptionally well when capturing moving vehicles, making it ideal for rolling shots and action-focused car photography. The fast processing and reliable performance ensure you don't miss critical moments during shoots. For video creators, the A7 IV offers high-quality 4K recording with professional color profiles, making it suitable for cinematic car videos, reels, and YouTube content. Its in-body image stabilization helps produce smoother handheld footage, especially when shooting dynamic angles. This bundle adds extra value with a 128GB SD card, additional battery, and camera backpack, making it a convenient starter kit for photographers and content creators. It's especially useful for those who want everything ready for outdoor shoots or travel. Overall, the Sony Alpha A7 IV bundle combines performance, versatility, and essential accessories, making it a strong choice for capturing professional car photography and video content in 2026.